Thank you for joining me, YouTubers. And today, I'm working on a 1999 Toyota Tacoma V6. This is the 3.4 liter, 4 cams, 24 valves. This engine is the 5VZFE. And I'm replacing the power steering pump today. This is the new one. This is the old one. The new one didn't come with the pulley, so I'm going to have to take off the old pulley, which I have done here already. They put it on the new pump. You can buy a new pulley if you'd like. This is a 17 millimeter nut. Then you have to also swap over the bracket. This bracket right here, these are 14 millimeters. They go right there. Then this is the 14 millimeter mounting nut, mounting bolt, I should say. It goes all the way through here. It mounts the power steering pump right there. Then this is the power steering feed line. It has a sensor back here. You wanna unclip that. This is a 17 millimeter banjo bolt. Then you got your return line. Then this right here, you got your jam nut. When everything's all mounted, this tensioner screw right here will tighten up and pull this and tighten the belt. Let me know what you think. Let me know how it goes with you. If you have any questions, comment below. Like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.